What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you can get your freezer nice and clean. If you look at this freezer right here, it looks like it's really clean. I mean, it's nice and white inside of it. The floor of it's nice and clean, but actually this is really dirty. And what a lot of people don't realize is that this bottom piece of your freezer can actually come up. This happens to be a Whirlpool refrigerator, so therefore it's probably the same for multiple different refrigerators and freezers. So all you have to do pretty much to get this up, you're going to be amazed at how dirty it really is. First thing you want to do is kind of remove this shelf right here. It just kind of picks up and moves out the way like that. And then once you've done that, what you want to do, if you kind of come in right here, what you'll see is you'll have little tabs right here. You'll have one right here, little flat tabs. Then you'll have another one that's going to be over here right here. So what you want to do is kind of take a flathead screwdriver and kind of get up underneath. Sometimes you can kind of pick up on the plate like I'm doing and kind of loosen it some, but then take your flathead and kind of up underneath there and kind of turn it out just like this. It'll pop out. You want to take this, put this aside somewhere. You don't want to lose these. Then you want to come to the other side, do the same thing, kind of lift up first on this floor part of it like that, and then kind of turn it until you get it kind of loose. You should be able to take your finger and just pop it out like that. Alright, and now that you have that done, next thing you're going to want to do, if you look back here in the back, you'll normally see two little screws back here. And one over here, you'll have one over here. What I'm just doing is pretty much is using this screwdriver part. This is actually the right size to take out these little screws. They're not on this refrigerator. It's not actually like a flathead or a Phillips. It's just like what you would take a socket set for, a socket wrench for. But I'm just going to be using this right here. Just reach back here and I'm loosening these screws. And they'll come out pretty much. Turn them just like that. You'll have one like this. Come on the other side. You'll have one looks like this. Come on the other side. Do the exact same thing. Once you get them loose, you can reach in with your hand and give them the rest of the way out. And once you've done that, this is a lot of time where your freezer can be really dirty at. Now you can pick up this whole bottom piece like that and look underneath her, and you can see all type of different stuff that's been spilt inside of the freezer. That's all down here like that. So if you really want to get your freezer nice and clean, you need to really take up that bottom floor of your freezer, which is this right here, and then go ahead on and clean all this stuff out like this. If sometimes this stuff could be frozen if it's been in there for a long time, so you may want to turn the freezer off to kind of let it loosen up some to clean it out. Alright folks, once again, this is how you can really get your freezer clean, by actually cleaning all parts of it, by taking out the actual floor of your freezer and getting to all this stuff like this. You could have blood from meat, you could have anything in the sun up underneath it like it that needs to be cleaned. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.